everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video today I am going to share something that I have discovered for many years and I've never had it before. This is going to be another recipe that I will be showing to you how to make it. This is going to consist of strawberries and brown sugar. I've always eaten strawberries by itself after a meal as a fruit, but then I discovered that adding this other ingredient will really make it really sweet, and I am pretty sure that you guys will really enjoy this dessert as much as I do. So I'm really excited to show you. This is really simple. There's only two things you need, and that's all you need for this simple, easy dessert. To make this recipe, you will need some fresh strawberries and also you will need some brown sugar. So the first thing that I am going to start off with is in my little bowl. I am going to get my strawberries and then I am going to slice them into my bowl. Okay, so now that you have all your strawberries all cut up and put into your bowl, the next thing that I am going to be adding to the strawberries is the brown sugar. Now with the brown sugar, it all depends on how sweet you like your strawberries to be. So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. And for this type of dessert, it's best to eat it like right away, because if you let it sit for a little bit, the brown sugar starts to get like juicy in there, and then I mean, it'll taste good either way, but I like to eat it right away as soon as I put the brown sugar on there. So now I'm going to try it. That brown sugar is really good. It's really sweet, and it really satisfies your you know, if you want something sweet, this is a perfect dessert to have at any time during the day. So anyways, I know this video was really short, but I think you guys will really enjoy this little recipe that I made today. And I would like to say to everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. It was a pleasure of me sharing with you this recipe. And if you guys are into crocheting and to cooking, that's what my channel is all about. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and because I will be posting some more videos this week. And if you have any suggestions or ideas that you would like me to make, please leave them down below in the comment section. And enjoy your strawberries with brown sugar, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.